What is going on YouTube? Just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to get admin commands in Grow a Garden. This is going to give you access to the admin panel, allowing you to spawn seeds and spawn pets and more, guys. Tons of features on the admin commands panel. Before I start the tutorial, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway. I'm giving hundreds of Robux to hundreds of people and it is simple to enter. Like I said, just smash the like button and subscribe. And I am going to be doing tons of Grow a Garden tutorials, so it is in your best interest to subscribe to this channel. And anyway, guys, this video is going to be specifically showing you how to get the admin commands in Grow a Garden. And this is very simple. It uses a Grow a Garden code that you can enter in game, and it's going to give you access to the admin panel. And yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone internet browser, and you just need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type this into your internet browser. Make sure you can actually spell, guys, coldcoupons.com, and it's going to bring you to this website. Let me just speed through the steps here, but you need to use the search bar and search for Grow a Garden Roblox, and they actually have loads of different verified codes on here. Some of these codes are absolutely awesome. You can unlock all the pets, all seeds and stuff. So you just need to scroll through here, and I know there is a lot of codes, but you need to look for the admin commands code. So yeah, there we go. Here we go. Admin commands. Grow a garden. Get access to the admin panel in Grow a Garden Roblox. So click on get code. You can see it's pretty popular. Thousands of people have used this. And like I said, guys, it does take a few minutes, but it is completely free. And yeah, the admin panel is awesome. You can spawn pets. You can spawn seeds, such as the candy blossom as well, which is awesome. So as you can see, you need to unlock your code. It says that it will be revealed after verification. So basically, guys, this Grow a Garden code that's going to give you access to the admin panel needs to be revealed. Because these are limited codes, it stops people from stealing all of them. So click on get full code. And you just need to follow the instructions on this page. It is super simple and, of course, completely free. Complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. So, long story short, guys, you need to complete 2 of the tasks that you see on this page. They're all completely free. Simple things like installing applications, answering questions and surveys. Really easy things. Just follow the small text. Like that one I clicked there was TikTok. Oh no, the Bible one I accidentally pressed. But basically, guys, if you was to choose this one, you would download it from the App Store and run it for 30 seconds, same as the TikTok one. There are other games as well that you can play, mobile games. Just complete 2 tasks, and if you do that, your Grow a Garden code will be fully unlocked, and that is how to get admin commands in Grow a Garden Roblox. Easiest method, 100% safe because it is just a working code that unlocks the panel in game. So go to Cold Coupons, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. Like I said, to get free Robux, make sure you enter my giveaway by subscribing and liking this video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace out.